over at the Crimean region, the Ukrainians launched a mass drone attack over towards Feodosia. Feodosia is actually this port city, and the alleged target is some fuel facilities. So a total of 38 drones was actually being mentioned to be attacking this location. The Russians actually fired a lot of different systems from S-400 to the Pantsir S-1, as well as there's rifles and using rifles, I guess, and they shot down 36 of these drones. So 2 of these drones actually kind of fell. One lost its course, fell on a highway, and I think another one hit a pipeline. So out of the 38, there's 2 actually got through, which means that the Ukrainians will probably know what to do next time. They will launch like more than that, 60 maybe. So to overwhelm the surface to the air defense systems over on the Russian side. Over at the Kherson front, fighting reported at KRYNKY. According to the Ukrainian Defense Ministry, this actually double confirms that KRYNKY is still under Ukrainian control, or at least partially under Ukrainian control. The Russian forces launched an attack into KRYNKY. Actually, it's over here. So they launched an attack in this direction, but they got fought back, and some of these Russian soldiers died during this operation, and they have to redraw out back into the forest region. This is actually geolocated. This fighting actually is geolocated. So the 38th Marine Brigade is still operating in this area here. So this actually confirms that the Ukrainians are still at KRYNKY. So this is a double confirmation, and this also makes any claims that KRYNKY was lost to the Russians, or the Russians have captured KRYNKY, to be absolutely invalidated. So which is why it's always very important. Like I always say, it's very important to be careful about information. Like a lot of exciting stuff tends to be wrong. Just like the one at the Edivka direction, where the 3 towns are still not captured. Over the opposite shore, over at Shevchenkove, a Buk M1 air defense system was hit by the Russians by using a missile strike. So another hit over here. So this is actually interesting, I would say, that the Ukrainians have basically suddenly popped up a lot of air defense systems, despite that over the past 2 months they has been bombarded by so much airstrikes. So maybe they are pushing all their assets, the air defense assets, towards the frontline region from the western part of Ukraine.